my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video and press bell icon for latest updates and upcoming videos. In today's video, we will discuss about English figures of speech. Okay, figures of speech are normally for 11th and 12th standard and also sometimes for 9th and 10th standard. Okay, so first, without wasting time, we will move on to figures of speech. So first figure of speech is alliteration. You can see in the board, on the board it is written alliteration. Okay, alliteration means what? Same first consonant sound is repeated, okay, in the sentence. For example, alphabet or letter is repeated, okay, in the sentence. If the alphabet or letter is repeated in the sentence, then it is called as alliteration. Okay, we will understand with the help of example. First example, she sings a song sweetly. Okay, this is the sentence. What is the sentence? She sings a song sweetly. Okay, here which letter is repeated again and again? Sound of S is repeated. Letter or alphabet S is repeated in the sentence again and again. Okay, sweetly. Okay, so she S is used, sings S is used, song S is used, and sweetly. So S is used. So here sound of S, alphabet S is repeated in the sentence. So it is an example of alliteration. Okay, I hope the board is clear to you, visible to you. Second is repetition. Okay, so entire word is repeated. In repetition what happens? Entire word is repeated in the sentence. Whole word is repeated in the sentence. Then it is the example of repetition. Okay, we will understand with the help of example. The sky is blue and the water in the river is also blue. Okay, so what all things are blue? Sky is blue, okay, and the water in the river is also blue. So in this sentence, which word is repeated? The word blue is repeated. Correct or not? The word blue is repeated in the sentence. Okay, the sky is blue, color of sky is blue, and water in the river, color of water in the river is also blue. So word blue is repeated, okay, in this sentence. So this is an example of repetition. Okay, next is what figure of speech? Simile. Okay, so in simile, comparison is made in between two objects. Okay, using the words like first and second as. So comparison is made between the two objects using the word like and using the word as. Okay, we'll understand with the help of example. The whole world is like a stage. Okay, so what all things are compared here? The whole world is compared with the stage. What is whole world? A stage. Okay, which word it is used for comparison? Word like is used for comparing. Okay, the world with the stage. Okay, so if the comparison is made between the two objects using the word like, so what is the figure of speech here? Simile. What is the figure of speech here? Simile. Okay, the whole world is like a stage. So world is compared with stage using the word like. So that is example of simile. Last we have example figure of speech 4, that is metaphor. Okay, in this metaphor and simile are overall same. Little bit difference is there. That is important. What is difference between metaphor and simile? In simile, comparison is made between two objects using the word like and as. But in metaphor, comparison is made indirectly. How is the comparison made here? Indirectly. Okay. For example, the whole world is a stage. Here no words like or as is used. Okay. So comparison is done indirectly. Whole world is what? A stage. Okay. So it is a metaphor. Okay. If comparison is made indirectly, it is the example of metaphor. I hope the figures of speech are clear to you discussed today. Which are they? First is alliteration, second is repetition, third is simile, and fourth is metaphor. Okay. In next video, we will discuss the remaining figures of speech. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to my videos. I also upload different videos on education, songs, different topics like education, songs and entertainment videos, also Mehndi, Rangoli and poetry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to them. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. We will come up with more interesting videos shortly. Till then, thank you. Bye.